There you are.
Oh yeah, I am waving. That
Oh yeah, we've got another one there.
Huh?
We got another one there, haven't we?
It's got 2 carriages. It's going on the
No,
same
that's three.
side.
That's 3 carriages, and that's coming on this side. It's coming on our side. Oh, wonky camera. It's coming on our side.
Yes, it is. Where's it came from? Of the 3 carriages?
I'm not sure where that's come from.
Where's it came from?
I don't know. Keep waving then.
Yes.
Keep waving then. Oh, we got a hi. I'm not sure where that one's come from. Oh, the train manager's waved. Oh, is that a point? Is that the points just moved? Oh yes they are. The points have just moved. Oh, I missed that. Oh, signal's up there. That one, that 2 carriagey one there on platform 3 is going to Pwllheli. I think I'm saying it right. Goes along like the Barmouth coast. And that one there next to us there is going to Birmingham. So you wait, we're gonna wave at that one when he goes, because he'll be going in a second. And I'm getting my phone all wet. See, it was 28 degrees yesterday, and look at it today, completely different. So keep wave at him then.
Hello, it's too fast. It's too fast.
Too fast. It's doing like 10 miles an hour. There you go. Keep waving at him then. You're waving. You're waving. Watch that point. That signal will go down now, look. Look, watch the signal, look. That signal will go down. You see the white thing? Up there. That will go down now. That white thing there, look. The signal, the arm. The arm thing. No, the signal. The white thing there, that thing.
What goes there?
See? See it go down?
What does it mean?
And the points have just changed again.
What does it mean?
That means no trains can go past that until it goes back up again. Right, we'll just give this a quick pause because I've got no memory on my phone. They're the newer trains, Daniel. They're the newer ones. I don't think they're in service just yet.
Where are they going?
No, they're not. They're just sleeping there.
But where do they go?
Well, they go all over like these ones do. But they're the new ones. Yeah, like that one's going now. See? Getting my phone all wet. Getting my phone all wet. I'll pause it and then play it again. Oh, never mind. He's going now. You keep waving. You wave. And then Mummy will be here in a minute. Wait till he goes and then. He can't hear you. He can't hear you. You stand there. You keep waving. No, you stay there and you keep waving. You keep waving, yeah? He's off to Birmingham, and the one behind him is going to Birmingham as well. Oh. Points have just changed again. Well, keep waving then. There you are. Look, he's waved at you. He's waved at you. You're waving to all the people then. See how many you don't get many waving back. No. They're too busy in their own little world, aren't they, Daniel?
No, one did.
One did?
Yeah, one did wave at me.
Oh, did they?
Huh?
One waved.
Yeah. My train's gonna go now. And I want to
I think I prefer the 158s to the 175s. Dunno. They're meant to be the most reliable diesel engine train thingamajiggy. See, that one's going to Birmingham, but he's not leaving for a while yet. I can't keep my phone on pause for half an hour because my battery will go. That purple one eventually go to Birmingham.
Yeah.
And then that little single one carriagey thing, I think that's the Heart of Wales line. But he won't go for another 20 minutes by looking on the board. It's about a 4.5 hour trip through, like, literally the heart of Wales. Nice, beautiful Welsh train stations.
Is that arm gone?
What?
Is that arm gone down? Is Mummy here now?
No, Mummy be here in a minute.
Yeah!
Oh, look, the signal is orange, so that train will go in a minute. Should we've got time to run down there and go back on the other side.
Huh?
Let's see if we can. Let's go onto the other side. There is.
Huh?
There is.
There's no one.
Oh look, he's getting his key into the cab.
What's he doing?
He's getting the train ready for wherever it's going.
Oh, we should do something.
Yeah, I don't know where he's going.
What?
Hey? He's getting it ready for his trip. Huh? Ooh. Oh, he's gonna start it up now. You listen, you're gonna start up. There we go. Oh, it's a bit chilly. I have to do my jacket up. You wave it in through the window. He might see you through the window. Yeah, you wave it in through the window. You're waving. See, look, he's waving. Say he's seeing you. Let's go back down. Let's go back down here then. Yeah, no, no, because both of these are gonna go in a minute. Yeah, we'll stay on this side. I just paused this because I haven't got no memory left. No, he's not going yet. He hasn't, because his signal's red. The purple one will be going because he's got an orange light. He'll be going now. Right, let's quickly go down here then. Watch these two, and then we better head off home then.
Where to?
We've got to go home, haven't we?
What about Mummy?
Yeah, Mummy was going to meet us here. Mummy will meet us on platform 3 when she's finished work.
Huh?
Mummy will meet us on platform 3 when she's finished work.
Wait, is that a train platform?
Not sure what's happening at the castle, but there's been live music for hours on end. Sounds pretty cool. Oh, it's been hailstone, rain. Right, we'll just hide under. We'll just hide underneath the cover until the trains go. Because it's raining and my phone's gonna get all soaking wet. You watch that light, it will go red when the train goes. Come on, hurry up, go and wave at him before he goes. Hurry up, go on, wave. Go on. Oh, hang on, he's just gone and he's just stopped again. Oh, he's on the phone to someone. You're gonna wave? He's just gone a little bit and he's stopped.
Huh?
He's got a red light flashing in the cab. I don't know what that means.
What?
You go up ahead and wave. Go up ahead and wave. Go and wave. Oh, there we go. He's waving. I did see his angle up. You watch that light. It will go red in a minute. phone's getting wet. Oh, I've only got 4 minutes of video left. You're waving at the people then? Oh, someone smiled, that'll do. See, look, the light's gone red now. Right, let's go because my phone's getting completely soaking wet. I have to upload all my videos from my phone because I don't have the internet. Nor a camera. That's why my videos are a bit rubbish, but there we go. Keeps us happy, doesn't it? Do you liking the music?
Yeah.
Oh. Right, there should be another train coming on platform 3 now. I would go and watch, oh no, the points are already set. We're going to stay underneath here. No, you won't see you just yet. He's quite far away, isn't he? You finished your drink then?
Platform 3.
Yeah, he's going to go on platform 3, this one. Do we get a horn or do we get a wave?
I want to away.
Yeah, we've only had a couple of horns today, haven't we?
And a couple of waves.
Well, we want both, really. That's the 3 carriages, yeah. I mean, go on, keep waving. Yeah, that's it, we got a wave. 9 times out of 10 they'll wave. We've had a couple that haven't, but they must have been in a world of their own, I don't know.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be
There we go.
removed without warning or damaged or destroyed by the security services.
Can you hear the music from the castle? Up there's the castle. That's the castle, that. And over there's the old prison. There's the river. That's the abbey.
Show me prison.
Oh, it's over there, Daniel. Right, I gotta pause this. You dancing?
Yeah.
You dancing to the music?
Yeah.
The next train to arrive at platform 7B will be the
Oh, it's this
1747
one.
Transport for Wales.
Oh no,
service
it's over
to
there.
Milford Haven. Calling at Church
Oh, he's
Stretton,
going now.
Craven Arms, Ludlow, Leominster, Hereford, Abergavenny, Pontypool and Newing.
They'll be going somewhere in a minute.
Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot
Bloody hell,
Parkway.
he's gone already, he's gone already.
Pembrey and Barry Port, Kidwelly, Ferryside,
Literally pick up
Carmarthen,
and gone already.
Richland, Clynderwen, Clarbeston Road, Haverford. Transport
Oh,
for Wales
he's going now.
apologises for the late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
He's a waving. Oh, there we go.
Attention please on platform 5.
Yay!
This is a platform
Waving.
switch.
A wave, a thumb, a smile, a horn. That's what we want to see. He's an empty stock, so I don't know where he's going.
Carmarthen, calling at Church Stretton, Craven Arms.
He's probably going over to
Hopton Heath, Bucknell, Knighton,
he's probably going over to the
Memphis,
sidings.
Llangunllo, Llanvista Road, Dolly, Hennebont, Llanbrindod, Bills Road, Kilmerry, Garth, Llanganach, Llanortyd, Sugarloaf, Cynhorpy,
Oh.
Llandafri,
Hey.
Llanorda, Llangadog, Llandalo, Fireback, Llanwyddier, Ammanford, Pantaffynnon.